내 동생이 자청나. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is Dongsaeng. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word Dongsaeng. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 141. Dongsaeng. Dongsaeng. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is dong, the second syllable is seng. Pronounce it with me. Dongsaeng. Dongsaeng. The word dongsaeng is the Korean noun for a younger sibling. Again, this is the Korean noun for a younger sibling. How do we spell dongsaeng in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable dong in Hangul, we need to draw first a dikit character, followed by an o character, followed by an iyong character. For the second syllable seng, we need to draw first a siyut character, followed by an e character, followed by an iyong character. And then, we just have to combine the hangul for each of these syllables to form the hangul of the word dongsaeng. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of dongsaeng, let's try to look into this example sentence. The sentence says, my younger sibling is annoying. The Korean translation of this sentence is 내 동생이 짜증나. Again, 내 동생이 짜증나. The first part of the sentence is 내, and this means my in Korean. But don't forget that 내 is followed by dongsaeng. Dongsaeng is our word for today, which means younger sibling. So when we say 내 동생, it means my younger sibling, which pertains to the subject of the sentence. And the last part of the sentence is 짜증나, which means annoying. And this is used to describe my younger sibling. And therefore, if these are combined, it would result to a sentence that means my younger sibling is annoying. Therefore, if we will go back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the word 내 동생이 짜증나 is simply my younger sibling is annoying. And with that, you've just learned dongsaeng. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 131 to 140. Yet, our word for today is word number 141, dongsaeng. And this is the Korean noun for younger sibling. Word number 140 is maknae. And this is the Korean noun for youngest sibling, or this could also mean the youngest in the family. Word number 139 is 뭐라고? And this is an informal way of asking, what did you say? Or this is used when you did not hear what someone said. Word number 138 is 예쁘다. This is an adjective which means pretty. Word number 137 is 배고파. This is an adjective which means I'm hungry. Word number 136 is 이렇게. This is an adverb which is used to say that an action should be done like this or this way. Word number 135 is 혹시, and this is used for inquiry, and this is used to say perhaps or by any chance. Word number 134 is gajo, and this is the Korean noun for family. Word number 133 is appa, and this is the Korean noun for dad. Word number 132 is 엄마, and this is the Korean noun for mom.
And
And the last for our review is noda. This is a root verb which means to play. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.